Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a skills-based problem. So not a ton of solution paths here, at least not on the surface. But this is an excellent problem to understand if you're struggling with exponents and general algebra. So here we have 18 cubed plus 18 to the fourth power. And when you see a problem like that with just an equal sign, largely what they're testing is your ability to manipulate or rewrite these values in another way. And I want to start with a word about exponents. So exponents are really just a way to group together multiplication. So 18 cubed is just 18 times itself 3 times. We can rewrite it as 18 times 18 times 18 plus 18 times 18 times 18 times 18. So we've got these 7 18s, but the question is, how do we condense them? How do we organize them? And this is where the tricky algebraic part comes in. So what we notice is that they share 3 of the 18s. So we can group together this element they have in common. The first term has 18 cubed, and we're going to slip in a times 1 because there's one of them there. The other one, 18 to the fourth, breaks into 18 times 18 cubed. If we reorganize this, take the 18 cubes they have in common out, this is 18 cubed times quantity 1 plus 18, or 18 cubed times 19. And of course, this leads us to the answer. Very often, you'll see skill-based problems like this that have this element of just reorganization. And what you want to look out for is opportunities to group and ultimately opportunities to factor as a way of reorganizing. So I hope this helped. Be sure to subscribe and see more videos below, and we'll see you guys next time.